To install Guardian bumpers horizontally on the DuraLITE frame, first put a carriage bolt in the track on the bottom. This carriage bolt will secure the middle clip on the Guardian bumper. Slide it down the track to where it's going to be, but keep it out of the way of the clip when the clip snaps on. These clips have a non-skid texture on top, and they rest in the top groove on the edge of the DuraLITE frame. We've provided another groove on the bottom of the clip for tapping them on. Press the 3 clips into the groove and let it hang over the side of the dock. You'll need a hammer and something like a pry bar to tap them on down below. Once again, you'll be using that groove on the bottom of the clip to tap them on, and make sure that carriage bolt is out to the side so it can slide into the slotted hole on the middle clip. Use a 9/16 wrench or socket to tighten that nut on the clip. Use the wrench again if you're going to remove the bumper. To remove the bumper, use something like a screwdriver to pry the tabs down on the clips. Bend them just far enough to release the tooth that grabs into the track on the bottom of the DuraLITE frame. You should continue to use bumpers that roll freely between your dock and your boat, as the Guardian is the last line of defense when shielding your boat from the dock.